taking a leaf out what you said, that MF industry is at a very, very nascent stage, but still there are some kind of behavior biasness still among the people, that they still feel afraid in terms of maybe adopting it. So your message, or like, how would you try to simplify it, like for the common masses, that it is just another alternative way to your normal FDs, or probably, which we look at it. So your view, how would you simplify it?
So I have two parts to this. One is, and I tweeted about this yesterday, because there's this whole question that we keep getting, oh, that people are forgetting MFs and moving to direct stocks. Firstly, to people, whether you are buying direct stock, or you're buying NASDAQ, or you're buying international stocks, or you're buying PMS, or you're buying equity mutual funds, it is all equity. The risk doesn't change. एक ही चीज है, MF is a vehicle to do what would otherwise be done. You would buy 20 stocks yourself and put them in a demat account. Someone else is buying them for you. Most of us don't have time to manage 20 stocks effectively in a demat account. I certainly don't. So a professional is doing it for you. So don't overthink it so much. There's a lot of angry narrative around that. Secondly, on MFs, I would say MF इज अ टूल, और हर बंदे के लिए एक अलग तरीके का खाना है. अब अगर आप बहुत, इफ यू आर अ वेरी कंजर्वेटिव इन्वेस्टर, देयर इज एन MF ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर यू. If you are a very aggressive investor, there is an MF alternative for you. It is like an aloo. You have to use it to make the sabzi that works for you.
True. Perfect. So, last, touching on the financial planning, it is so very evident for each and every person, but still, we feel people like, running away from it. Like a lot of time we say that, no, we don't want to go for a plan. It's just that, this is the amount which we want to save and which we want to invest. Or ऐसा एक पकड़ के planning कराना पड़ता है कि, just get your planning done. We are not charging you anything. So your view, your take, your message to all the people at this point of time, that, the relevance of financial planning in their life, and what discipline it can bring it to them in terms of their managing their finances, and managing, I would say, their goal, from their child education to their retirement. Like, how do you see financial planning?
So, great question. We started this session with the whole thing about career planning. And I think just as careers need to be planned, money needs to be planned. Because if you want to get anywhere in your career, you better start doing some planning and thinking. I think the same thing is true in money. If you want to fulfill big dreams, you have to. And I'm going to give you two examples of my own personal life. I mean, I have made a lot of money management mistakes, as a lot of us have. But the one thing me and my husband did, and we come from very middle class families, is that when we started earning, we started saving very early. I think I started earning at 21. Both of us started saving very early. That enabled us to start a business at 24. So financial planning is very intricately linked to how you think about careers. And that is very, very important. Remember that. So financial planning is required to make dreams come true. Otherwise, at 24, you will not have the freedom to start a business, because तुम्हारे father-in-law से तुम पैसे लेने जाओगे तो तुम्हें वो लोग 10 advice देंगे कि बेटा नौकरी में रहो, etc. Secondly, the second thing is that, in tough periods, and there was a question that was asked before about how do you go through tough periods. You will only be able to go through tough periods like these years if you have financially planned well. My husband and I learned a lot of financial planning after 2008 crisis, and we are both in very high risk industries. He's also in financial services. We have not even looked at our portfolios in March. In fact, I had to make a fairly large payment for one of those kind of semi-luxury expenses. And this whole crisis happened. And I told Nalin, should I do it? And he said, we've planned well enough. Go ahead and do whatever you want. That can only happen. Your lifestyle will not be compromised in bad times because you financially planned well.
Great, perfect. I think that will motivate a lot of people, to plan their finances and to take financial planning something very, very seriously. We know in West, people take it very, very seriously, and they also involve their family. But still in India, when we do financial planning, only, the male member sits and he thinks, okay, I'll do for everybody. So I think, a lot of now trends are changing. As an advisor, I also try to involve the entire family members. I tell, get your wife also along, so that, she also get aware of whatever you are doing, and things will be in a control, and gradually, that financial education will spread. So, and moving on to my last question, Radhika, a lot of youngsters are watching you at this point of time. A lot of students, we have connected to a lot of MBA graduates. Some of them have, not got their jobs, or maybe the job place, the joining date has been delayed. Some of them are still very worried what will happen to their placement, So what kind of message, like, do you want to share with them so that it motivates them, and it just gives them a ray of hope that yes, like, there are days and nights, and you just need to stick to your goals, and you need to stick to it. Yeah. You need to unmute. You need to unmute. Yeah.
So what I'll say is very simple, and you will go through hell in your career. ये तो होने ही वाला है. You are going through it now. Okay, I started my career in 2005 when life was fabulous. I mean, it's the best time to graduate as a fresh graduate. I went through it in 2008. तो hell तो आपके career में आना है, जल्दी आ गया है, सीख लो, लेकिन आना तो था. So you have to learn to deal with this. That is what I would tell you. And you should be happier that you've gone through the hell when you're younger and there's less at stake. It's almost like you've learned to fight a battle on the training ground rather than in the battlefield.
Because